Starting around 02 July 2023, Bitcoin Money truly is exchanging at $300.41 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.39% in genuinely most recent 60 minutes, which in a real sense is very critical. BCH fundamentally has a really all-out market cap of $5,839,261,201, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $1,353,901,651, or so they in a real sense thought. This in every way that really matters makes Bitcoin Money, BCH, certainly positioning at 14 in the digital currency market in an essentially significant manner. On the off chance that you in every practical sense are a crypto financial backer, and considering what for the most part is the Bitcoin Money cost expectation end of 2023. What will Bitcoin Money by and large be somewhat worth in 2023, which in every way that really matters is very critical. Is Bitcoin Money a generally excellent speculation or in every practical sense worth purchasing in 2023, which especially is genuinely critical? Will BCH cost in every way that really matters outperform its record-breaking high, which explicitly is genuinely critical? These really are our Bitcoin Money cost expectations for BCH'(S) future in a very large manner. Bitcoin Money, BCH value expectation 2023. As per the Bitcoin Money figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the BCH cost generally is supposed to cross an extremely normal value level of $351.34, the normal sort of least value worth of Bitcoin Money, toward the finish of the essentially current year, ought to be $337.05, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Besides, BCH can for the most part arrive at a fundamentally greatest value level of $379.35 in a very significant manner. Bitcoin Money, BCH value estimate July 2023. The Bitcoin Money, BCH cost for July 2023 may arrive at an especially least worth of $274.45, while the by and large greatest determined cost for the most part is around $308.76, which really is very critical. The extremely normal cost for BCH certainly is somewhat anticipated to generally reach $300.18 in July 2023, or so they by and large thought. Bitcoin Money value estimate August 2023. The very normal cost of Bitcoin Money, BCH, could in every practical sense go to $309.19 toward August 2023 in an unobtrusive manner's end. BCH could be exchanging around a genuinely most extreme worth of $320.77, with the in every practical sense least expected cost of $297.75, or so they really thought. Bitcoin Money value expectation September 2023. The cost of Bitcoin Money sort of is generally anticipated to reach at any rate worth of $310.12 in September 2023, so besides BCH can in every practical sense arrive at a most extreme value level of $379.35, which sort of is very huge. The BCH cost could in every practical sense arrive at an especially most extreme worth of $333.13, with the by and large normal exchanging worth of $321.56 all through 2023, or so they fundamentally thought. Bitcoin Money value expectation October 2023. Bitcoin Money cost certainly is supposed to especially reach between $316.91 to $349.21 in October 2023. While the truly normal cost of BCH for the October certainly remains around $331.20, Bitcoin Money value forecast November 2023. The cost of Bitcoin Money fundamentally is in a real sense anticipated to generally reach at an especially least worth of $326.39 in November 2023, which essentially is genuinely huge. The BCH cost could in every practical sense arrive at a truly greatest worth of $362.46, with the truly normal exchanging worth of $337.83 all through 2023 in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin Money value gauge December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Bitcoin Money in every practical sense is supposed to generally be at around an especially least of $337.05 in a very significant manner. Bitcoin money cost can really arrive at an especially limit of $379.35. With the for the most part normal cost of $351.34 in United States dollars, which essentially is very critical. Bitcoin money kind of passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Bitcoin Cash's cost really has shown a sort of good increment of 3.97% in the for the most part, most recent 24 hours, exhibiting that BCH basically has an in every practical sense complete market cap of $5,839,261,201 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $1,353,901,651 in an unpretentious manner. From very most recent 7 days, the BCH especially was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 48.63% in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin money especially has shown exceptionally kind of solid pretty potential recently, and this could be in every way that really matters. Great chance to dive right in and certainly put resources into a buy in large huge way for the most part. Notwithstanding, after the contrasting the buy in large current cost and sort of beyond 30 days cost history, it really is seen that Bitcoin money in a real sense has expanded 55.184% in its worth, which for the most part shows that these explicitly are our Bitcoin money cost expectations for BCH's future in a genuinely significant manner. The essentially normal kind of least cost for the month in a real sense is $130.31. While sort of most extreme all things considered, normal cost was $134.63, or so they by and large thought. This infers that this coin explicitly is a reasonable resource and another expansion to sort of your arrangement of coins for commonly long haul, essentially further appearance. How Bitcoin money value gauge August 2023. The very normal cost of Bitcoin money, BCH, could explicitly go to $309.19 toward the finish of August 2023, which for the most part is genuinely huge. The 90 days cost change really is around 56.13%. And the cost essentially circled from a very least genuinely normal cost of $125.38 to for the most part greatest in every practical sense, normal cost of $134.83 in the beyond 90 days, in a kind of large manner. In kind of most recent 4 months Bitcoin money basically has shown a developing pattern in an unobtrusive manner. In this manner, we especially imagine that comparable pieces of the market especially were very famous at that period. By and large further appearance, how Bitcoin money passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the Bitcoin Cash's cost for the most part has shown a kind of good increment of 3.97% in the very most recent 24 hours.